Good day, guys. Welcome, students. Our lesson today will focus on the prime numbers. Once again, this is Mr. G, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, hello, welcome to week 2. And last week, we discussed about factors, multiples, common multiples, and divisibility rules. So for you to review those concepts, I also prepared slides. Here we go. What are factors? We all know that factors are numbers you can multiply to get another number. Example, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And also, factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number. Let's say 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And the factors of 6, for example, are 1, 2, 3, and 6. What is multiple? As we know, multiple is a number that can be divided by another number without a remainder. For example, 15 and 20 are multiples of 5. For common multiple, when you say common multiple, it is actually the multiple that is common to two or more numbers. For example, 6 is the first common multiple of 2 and 3. As you can see, if we skip count by 2, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so forth. And then we have 3, 3, 6, 9, so on and so forth. So based from the multiples, 6 is the first common multiple of 2 and 3. Do you remember divisibility rules? Let's recall divisibility by 2, ending in even number, and then divisibility by 3, sum of digits divisible by 3, divisibility by 4, last two digits divisible by 4, then divisibility by 5, ending in 0 or 5, divisibility by 6, divisible by both 2 and 3, divisibility of 8, last three digits divisible by 8, divisibility by 9, the sum of digits, or the digits divisible by 9, and divisibility by 10 ending in 0. Now, for the prime numbers, the lesson objectives will be to understand what primary number is, and then the second one is to identify all prime numbers less than 100. What is prime number? I'm going to show you some numbers. Some are primes and some are not. When you think you know what makes a number prime or not, you may say it. 3 is a prime number. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 is not a prime number. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 is a prime number. 1 times 5 equals 5. 6 is not a prime number. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. 12 is not a prime number. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. 13 is a prime number. 1 times 13 equals 13. What do you think a prime number is? Anybody? Prime number is a number that only has two factors, one in itself. Examples of prime numbers are 3, 5, and 13. Find all the prime numbers between 0 and 20.
Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round.
The prime numbers between 1 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Let's recall prime numbers. A prime number only has two factors, 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime number because it only has one factor, and that is 1. A prime number can be divided evenly only by 1 or itself. The only even prime number is 2. All other even numbers can be divided by 2. The first four positive prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. To find out if a two-digit number is a prime, try dividing it by 2, 3, 5, and 7. If these numbers are not factors, the number is prime. Except for 2 and 5, all prime numbers end in 1, 3, 7, or 9, but not all numbers that end in 1, 3, 7, or 9 are prime. Okay, let's have a group activity or group discussion. Group 1 will find numbers between 20 to 40. Group 2 will find prime numbers between 40 to 60. Group 3 will find prime numbers between 60 to 80. Then Group 4 will find prime numbers between 80 to 100.
I'm prime, Prime. Only factors are 1 and me. Factors that divide evenly. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you understand about prime numbers. You can practice anytime you want. Once again, this is Mr. G, and keep safe, everyone.